Today, we embark on a journey to explore a versatile and powerful setup that finds applications in diverse fields. Imagine a system that can deliver instant commands, turning on LEDs in the blink of an eye. While it may be employed in various scenarios, one standout example is its role in railway signal lights, enhancing safety and efficiency in railway networks. However, its potential reaches far beyond the railway industry. Moreover, it uses a customizable GUI which empowers users to tailor the appearance and functionality of the software to their preferences, fostering a more personalized and user friendly computing experience. Starting with the software code, it starts with importing necessary libraries, which includes tkinter, used for creating the GUI, tkfont, used for custom font settings, GPIO0, used for controlling the GPIO pins, especially the LEDs. Defining GPIO pin numbers and LED colors. LED pins is a list of GPIO pin numbers 14, 15, 18 to which the LEDs are connected. Color is a list of LED colors corresponding to each GPIO pin. Creating LED objects. LEDs a list of LED objects, each associated with the GPIO pin defined in LED pins. Some GUI definitions include creating a main application window using tk.tk, setting the window title to LED controller, creating a custom font named myfont for the GUI, setting the window size to 400 into 300 pixels using win.geometry. Coming on to the user defined functions, select underscore LED function is called when a radio button is selected. It takes one argument LED underscore index which corresponds to the LED index of the LED 012. It iterates through the list of LED objects, turning on the LED at the selected index and turning off the others. Defining close function. This function is called when the exit button is clicked. It iterates through the list of LED objects, LEDs, and turns them all off. It then destroys the GUI window. Win. Creating radio buttons. A loop creates radio buttons for each LED color. Each radio button is associated with a specific color and calls the select LED function with its corresponding index when selected. The radio buttons are displayed in the GUI window with some padding. Creating an exit button. For the exit button, which calls the close function when clicked. Customizing the button space appearance with a red background and a specific height and width. At the end, win.protocol method is used to specify an action when the window is closed. In this case, it calls the close function to ensure that all LEDs are turned off before closing the GUI. Starting the GUI main loop. Finally, the program enters the main event loop with the win.main loop, which keeps the GUI active and responsive to user interactions. When we run this program, it will create a GUI window with three radio buttons for controlling the red, blue, and green LEDs, as well as an exit button to close the program and turn off all the LEDs. That was all for the explaining of the code. Now let's jump to the working of the setup.